Are you completely fed up with all those websites that simply refuse to pay? Well, then you absolutely must look here first. Here, I have genuine, undeniable proof of a real withdrawal from the very site I'm about to explain to you today. It's a fully preloaded Visa card, which you can use to buy anything from AliExpress or to easily top up your favorite online games or truly anything else you might wish for on the internet. Today, I'm going to give you the secret so that you can also get started. Now, I will explain to you the easiest way to register, and it won't take more than a few seconds of your time. First, simply click on the link that I have left for you in the description below or in the very first pinned comment. Once you click on it, the website page will open directly for you. Proceed to click directly on the Google sign up with Google icon that you see right in front of you. As soon as you click on it, a window will appear, prompting you to choose the email address you wish to register with. Simply select your account with a single click and your account will be created immediately. This particular method is truly the best option as it's incredibly fast and guarantees the security of your account. And remember this most important detail. As soon as you complete your registration by choosing your email from this specific link, the site will instantly provide you with $0.5, that's $0.50, as a completely free bonus in your balance, a special welcome gift. But focus with me on this crucial step, so the amount can appear in your account and you can receive the $0.5. You actually need to go immediately to your registered email address. You will find a message from the website. Open it and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Without completing this step, you will not receive the bonus. You are now officially inside your control panel, completely ready and set to begin accumulating your dollars. Let's now transition and move forward to explain all of the available tasks. Immediately upon your successful entry, please proceed directly to the Explore section, where you will discover every single possible earning method. We will commence our journey with the absolute most popular and well-regarded method, the paid surveys. Survey companies pay you for your opinion just for participating. I'm going to select 2 surveys right now, and then I'll answer all the questions. As you can clearly see, the questions are quite simple and very straightforward, asking about things like your current profession or your personal interests. Just make sure to answer them honestly. Once you're done and you submit your answers, the earnings will be added to your account balance instantly. Look, you have successfully completed the survey and the corresponding amount has been added. The earnings you receive will vary based on the survey's duration and the advertising company. The second effective method we'll explore is microtasks. Microtasks are quick, simple tasks that don't demand a lot of effort, such as clicking on advertisements or visiting specific websites. Let's go ahead and try one of these tasks right now. I'm going to perform a task that specifically asks me to subscribe to a YouTube channel. The instructions are quite clear. First, you need to subscribe to the designated channel. Secondly, you are required to take a clear screenshot as definitive proof. And thirdly, please forward the captured image and your registered username for official verification. After you submit the proof, the task will then be placed under review. Once the website has successfully confirmed it, your account balance will be credited. The monetary amount for each individual task might seem quite small, but with consistent repetition and continued effort, you can certainly accumulate a good sum of money on a daily basis. TimeBucks also provides what are commonly referred to as offer walls. My apologies. Here, you'll discover tasks such as downloading applications, signing up for websites, or trying out various free services. These particular offers frequently provide significantly higher payouts. A quick piece of advice: always make sure to thoroughly read the terms and conditions before you begin. Be aware that some offers might require you to reach a specific level within a game or to complete a small initial purchase. Familiarizing yourself with the terms and conditions ensures you will receive your earnings. Another excellent way to earn is through our referral system. By simply inviting your friends or followers to register, you will receive a commission from their profits. This means that every time they complete surveys or tasks, you will earn a percentage without any additional effort on your part. This is truly passive income. The more active individuals you invite to join, the more your earnings will steadily increase over time. Simply copy your unique link and share it across social media platforms or on various blogs. Furthermore, you have the opportunity to generate income just by watching videos. All you need to do is press play. The earnings here are quite modest, so it's advisable to consider this as a way to earn some extra money if you are someone who is socially active. You'll find various tasks that involve liking a Facebook page or following an Instagram and TikTok account. These tasks only require a few seconds of your time, and their earnings will steadily accumulate. Additionally, there's a dedicated gaming section where you can generate income simply by achieving specific milestones within various games. So, if you're someone who already enjoys playing games on your mobile phone, this presents a truly enjoyable method to accomplish 2 objectives simultaneously. Once you've successfully collected your earnings, it's time to make a withdrawal. Simply navigate to your account settings and select the payment method most suitable for you. Our platform conveniently supports various options, including PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfers, and many others. All payments are processed promptly every Thursday, and the minimum amount for withdrawal is only $3. Your ability to reach this amount depends on your activity and your selection of tasks that offer the highest returns. So, this has been a comprehensive explanation of the TimeBucks platform. It truly is a fantastic opportunity to earn some extra money. Please don't forget to register using the special link provided in the description below and start earning right away. Thank you so much for watching.